Alright, here's a project I have been working on lately. This was a frame for a mini bike, kind of. Only this was like over here, so I cut that, bent it out, and made it bigger because it was for little kids. So then I took 2 bars, put them on here, and I didn't weld them yet, but I made the mount so the mini bike wouldn't fold in half. Then what I did was I grabbed myself a full lawnmower blade, cut it in both sides, made that for a seat mount. And that's about how far I got so far. I gotta make handlebars yet that'll reach out like that and grab this and this a bend. We got a front tire all set up, and any more ideas, you guys just leave on the comments below. I built this brake pedal here, push this down, engages that to stop the bike, lift it up, it's not touching. You can see the pedal moves. So that's a little sneak peek on the mini bike. I'll see you when it's finished. Once again, this is a mini bike build.